Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I recorded this video a while ago during the holiday season, and as you can see, my picture in my living room is not even hung up yet because we just moved on December 3rd. So this was a little bit after we moved and had put up our Christmas tree. If you guys are wondering who I'm talking to, it's my husband, so don't mind that. He just got off work. It's late at night in this video, so I'm just showing you guys a quick cleanup between the kitchen and living room right before I get ready for bed. Just really quick, nothing too in-depth or anything, just wiping down a couple things. So if you guys need to get some cleaning done tonight, hope this video motivates you guys. The cleaning product that I'm using is from the dollar store. I absolutely love this product. It has vinegar mixed in it, and even though it says window cleaner, I use it all over my house. Since it has vinegar in it, it's really good for disinfecting and gives my countertops, glass, and stainless steel a really nice shine. And I am so sorry for the lighting in this video. I am working on getting it better, and my previous video is my most recent video from today. So I fixed the lighting in that video a little bit more, but since this was pre-recorded a while ago, I wasn't 100% on the lighting, but I am working on it, and I am also working on getting another camera to give you guys better quality and content. Sometimes I like to go over my countertops with Lysol wipes just to kill any germs that's left behind. So I'm just wiping down my island and the countertops in my kitchen with a couple Lysol wipes, just giving it more attention. The last thing I'm going to do tonight is clean my fridge, and for some reason it just wasn't drying all the way. Usually I can just spray this on my fridge and wipe it and it will dry completely, but as you guys can see, I had to go over it a couple times. In the end, I just wiped it completely down with a paper towel just to dry it off so that has that nice shine. And as you guys can see, this is why I like using this product. It cleans my stainless steel countertops and glass all in one. Sometimes I even mix alcohol in it because alcohol is really good for disinfecting also. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm so excited for this new change on my channel, and I'm really happy that I'm able to push out videos and clean my house at the same time and enjoy what I'm doing. So if you want to come along with me on my new journey on my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. Don't forget to comment down below what types of cleaning videos, organizing videos, or even lifestyle videos you guys want to see next. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.